my experiences with the bike were very pleasurable. The really comfortable seats, to the Shimano gears that in case if the battery died, the gear system was really comfortable to use. The tires were extremely comfortable, especially with the shock absorbers. The shocks in the seats as well gave a really comfortable ride to the bike. Overall, really pleasurable experience. The speeds with the bike, super easy to use. Uphill, downhill, in every terrain. Going downhill, the battery recharges, so that's a great feature that this bike has. So yeah, overall, super happy with the bike. Especially at nights, riding the bike using the lights that they have, it gives a really clear view of the road ahead of you. Yeah, overall, like I really love the bike and I'm really happy.